is the Mini Builder. I am your host, Ani, and today we're going to be focusing on the topic of these Saturn Spinners. I know that sounds pretty confusing, but let's dive right into them. These are the parts for what you need to build a Saturn Spinner. You will need 19 of these little small beads, which you can buy on Amazon in the link in the description below. These are two bigger balls that have heavier magnetism to make Saturn Spinners actually spin, and you can also find these on Amazon. I got these exclusively from Arizona at the Meteor Crater. If you live in Arizona, you can go get it from there. It doesn't really make a difference. So how you assemble this is pretty easy. You take one of these bigger balls, you put the string of 19 beads onto the ball, then you slowly, carefully wrap it around, and then connect the beads on the other two ends. Now you have a Saturn-like shape, thus the name Saturn Spinners. So now you will take your other ball and just rotate it slowly around, and as you can see, the Saturn Spinner is now spinning. Let's talk about the science behind this. So when an object at rest, this is Newton's first law of motion. So when an object at rest is disturbed by an unbalanced force, that object will accelerate. Acceleration means any change in the object's rest or motion. So as you can see in this Saturn Spinner, the spinner is stable until the magnet comes in. The magnetic force is disturbing the rest of the spinner. This is the science behind this. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was a really simple science project. Feel free to do it at home. No danger, nothing. Thank you for watching and subscribe. Bye guys.